What do you got there with that, dude? That shit's good for a fucking Beamer, dude.
What's going on, guys? Kirk here from Motor Gear TV. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Guys, as you can see from the title of the thumbnail, the M2 is broken. But we're going to have a fix for it. Hopefully it's nothing too major, because we're here today at WTF Motorsports to get the car checked out. I've been noticing over the last few weeks that the car hasn't been driving as strong as it should be. I did notice it might have a little bit of a boost leak, because during driving, especially when I'm pressing the throttle, I haven't been feeling as much power as I'm used to. So I suspect that there is a boost leak somewhere in the engine, possibly anywhere in between the charge pipes to the intercooler. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. I did go ahead and scan the car just to make sure that everything was okay. It did read that I had too much airflow and that also my crankcase vent tube was unplugged. Did go ahead and swap it out to the new version, the crankcase hose, and still receive the same issue. So now the only thing that we suspected that has a boost leak somewhere. So we're gonna get with Curtis at WTF to see what the issue is, and hopefully, guys, hopefully the engine is not broken. So stay tuned, let's get started. Yeah, so not sure what's going on, but hopefully we can do a smoke test and figure out exactly where the boost leak is coming from.
Yeah, come here. See the big clip that's on the charge pipe? Yeah. That's where it's coming out of that. Oh. So it's that seal, that's that O-ring that goes inside that pipe. Okay. I would start with that one. Because this is like low pressure and it's still not even. Yeah. It's not getting to here, so that's good. Yeah. Okay. So you'll need
the O-ring.
Pull charge pipe out, put that big O-ring on there. Yeah. Okay. And then I would just check that everything's tight again. But 100% it's coming out of that hole. And
alright, so there you guys have it. We found out what the potential issue might be. We're gonna go home and order those O-rings, get them swapped out. Hopefully that should fix the issue with boost leak. I don't see any future issues happening, I hope. And then once that's all taken care of, hopefully the car will be 100. Do want to do some draggy times with it just to kind of see where it's at, and also take it back to the dyno just to see, you know, what everything with the tune, with all the bolt-ons finally gives. Big shout out as usual to WTF Motorsports. Got everybody working. CJ, shout out. Yeah, I will say these cars are super solid. This is probably one of the first minor issues I've ever had with the car. Overall, the ownership experience has been fantastic. And yeah, I just want to get back this car to where it's supposed to be at and have some more fun with it. So we're back in the garage a few days later. The two O-rings that I need to fix this boost leak hopefully have just arrived. Now I will be putting the part numbers on the screen and also in the description if you guys need to find it. Now this O-ring specifically is going to be mounted to the lower part of the car where the intercooler meets the charge pipe, and then this O-ring is going to be connected to the charge pipe and the throttle body. Now this one does come with some silicone, I guess for ease of fitment. If you guys do remember when we were installing the charge pipe initially on the car, we did have to do a big fight with the O-ring that was provided, which wasn't a big success, so we ended up just reusing the OEM O-ring. This one hopefully shouldn't have any fitment issues, but I'm glad that they provided the silicone lube just in case. Now we're going to tackle this in two stages. I think we should do the easier one first, which is going to be tackling the charge pipe to the throttle body, and after that we can go to the lower section, which is going to be the charge pipe to the intercooler. I'm not 100% sure if we need to remove the bumper, but we're going to try to do it with the bumper still on. just got the charge pipe taken off the throttle body. Not sure if you guys can see in there. It's a little bit dirty. So I was gonna go ahead and clean it off and put the new O-ring in. Alright, now that we got the first O-ring installed, time to go to the harder part, which is the second O-ring. I'm really hoping and praying that I bought the right one, because if I didn't, we wasted a bunch of time. We're going to attempt to do this without taking out the bumper first by removing the under tray. If we need more clearance, we're going to have to take out the bumper, which I'm really not trying to do, but I just want to get this sorted out and finished so we can go on to much more important things. Here it is, guys. If anybody has ever wondered what intercooler I'm running, this is the ARM high flow intercooler. It's been working out pretty great for me, no complaints, and it's probably one of the only intercoolers on the market that has this really unique gold finish. I think this really set my M2 apart from the rest. If you guys are interested in picking up one for yourself, link will be in the description. Alright, so I went ahead and got the old O-ring out. It's really hard to tell if it went bad or not. This is where the smoke test showed that we were getting the leak from. Now, this is the new O-ring, allegedly. The only issue I'm trying to figure out is it's the same diameter, but it's two different shapes. Now, I'm hoping that this is just a updated version and not the wrong one. Again, the diameter is the same. I'm going to figure out the proper orientation to put this in, plug everything back up, and hopefully this really solves the issue. If not, I'm probably going to have to search for the right one. Alright, so we just finished and got everything buttoned up. Man, it took way longer than expected. Just wanted to hurry up and finish, didn't really get to film much, but the car is put back together. Now, I did notice that there was a metal connector in between the charge pipe and the intercooler. That one snapped into place a little bit smoother than it did the first time, so maybe it might have been an error on my part, or it might have gotten loose over time, but everything is as tight as it can be. Right now we have Mark inside the car clearing the codes. I'm trying to see if there's any new ones that pop up, and then after that I think we're just going to go ahead and do a test drive and make sure everything is working as it should.
Making an 8-point turn like a f***ing Max truck, right?
What you got done to that thing?
I got turbo on it's a 2003 Cobra motor.
Nice.
So yeah, dude, what do you got done to that, dude? That shit's good for a fucking Beamer, dude.
I tell you,
Well, hey, most of them are slow, you know what I mean?
no, she can hang, man. She can hang.
Yeah, dude, she definitely hangs, dude.
Not stop, man. That thing sounds sweet, man. I like it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, dude. I'm working on it, dude. I'm only at like 10 pounds boost right now.
Okay.
Going to probably 17, 18.
No, she rips for 10 pounds.
Yeah, that's probably 650.
That's
Right
nice,
now,
nice,
dude.
nice.
I'm going to 1,000.
Yeah.
Listen, 999 horsepower ain't enough, dude. If it costs me another $3,000 to get to 1,000, dude, I'm gonna spend
Do
$3,000.
it,
man.
Yeah, man. Send it to the room.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna send it all the way, dude.
right.
Oh yeah, dude. Hey, it's nice meeting you guys, dude.
Yeah, man,
I'd love to see some shit like this, dude. You know?
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I had to come with y'all a little bit. I heard you pull out there and get on it. I'm gonna go find this one. I got something for him.
I had a boost leak, so I just fixed it. So we're just doing some test runs right now.
I've been fighting a boost leak too. I've been fighting a fuel pressure fucking regulator problem with my fucking fuel pressure dumping down to like 22 pounds.
No shit.
Every time I turn around, it's something else, dude, you know?
Yeah, that's what happens when you're trying to make power, man.
That's it, dude. That's it.
Goes in the lifestyle.
That's it. All right, man. Well, y'all be good, dude.
All right, take care.
I'll see y'all next go around.
Yeah, man.
I'll see you around town, I'm sure.
Yep, I felt it a while ago. Just blew it. Yeah, a couple of fly off. Alright, so I think we did find the culprit, but I just felt it something pop off a while ago.
To the garage.
Back to the garage, but I think we're pretty much good and solid. We just need to tighten down the clamp a little bit more. I might do one final test run just to make sure everything is good to go, but I think this one was pretty solid. So if you like this episode, if you like this type of content, leave some comments down below, smash the like button, tune in for more geared up content. Guys, the M2 is back on the streets. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. We're gone. Alright, so just had to go back underneath the car, and I think we found, no, this wasn't popping check engine lights, but as you guys can see, we need to address that. After that, I think we should be good to go and take another run. Response is definitely there.